Hi everyone, are you a new beginner, eager to dive into a new skill or hobby? Why it is exciting to start something new? It's all too easy to fall into a common mistake that can hinder your driving progress. When some drivers get license, they consider themselves as a professionals, and these attitudes have affected many drivers. So follow me, watch this video till the end, and I know you are going to learn and amend your way from today. Mistake number 1, always have a decent following distance between your car and the car in your front. You should give a 2-second distance rule. More also, you can leave exactly the length, which is the length of your car or the length of that car that is in your front. Leave the space, because if you don't give space and you are following the car in your front, immediately that car slam his leg on the brake, and what is going to happen? Immediately he matches his brake, you too will match your own brake. So always give a space between the car in your front and your own car, so that if anything can happen, he slam his leg on the brake, you too can maneuver and react immediately to that car. So leave space in your front. Simple. Mistake number 2, seat belts. I don't know why some drivers are not using their seat belts. Beginners or learners, please always use your seat belts whenever you are driving. It is very important, and it is for protections. As you can see, it will not take you a second or 2 seconds before you use your seat belt, before you buckle it, before you wear it. Please use it. Once you drag it, then use it. 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you have done. But some drivers make a habit of not using their seat belt. They think they have become a professional, and if you are a professional, you have to use your seat belt. Use your seat belt always when driving. Mistake number 3, too many passengers in the car. As a beginner and as a learner, please don't carry too many passengers, because some passengers come confusions and distractions to your own driving. Some beginners went and carry a friends, put them in the car, and they are moving from one place to another, drinking or smoking. So on the process, they will distract you on your driving. Please, as a beginner, don't carry many passengers. Don't carry friends. You can carry one person on the front and one person at the back, so that you will be focused on your driving. Mistake number 4, taking chance. Many drivers and many beginners have taken chance of the professional drivers. You think that you have know it all. You think that you have become a professional driver. You think that you have become an expert, and meanwhile you are still learning. You are taking a chance of a professional driver. So if you are a new driver or a new beginner, please don't take chance. Don't be too proud. Proudness can make you take chance of what you are not and you want to become. When you become an expert, then you can proud yourself. Proudness can make you take chance. Please and please learn the skills driving first and become an expert before you take chance. Taking chance, it is very difficult, because when you enter road and begin to drive like an expert and you are not an expert, it will cause accident. These are the serious mistake that beginners always have. When you are on the highway or on the road and driving, Don't be proud. Don't drag road. Don't take chance. Please bring yourself down so that when you get to know this terrain, don't drag road with anybody, so that when you become an expert, you can do all those things. But when you are still learning and you never get the experience, please don't take chance. Avoid competitions on the road. Thank you for watching this wonderful video, and I know you learn a lot from this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.